The story begins in the early months of 2005. Three former PayPal employees, Chad Hurley, Steve Chen, and Jawed Karim, envisioned a platform where users could easily upload and share videos. On February 14th, they registered the domain name youtube.com. Little did they know, they had just set in motion a revolution that would forever change the digital landscape. The first video, titled "Me at the Zoo," was uploaded by co-founder Jawed Karim on April 23rd of the same year. A modest start, to be sure, but it signaled the dawn of a new era. By November, with millions of videos being watched daily, it was clear that YouTube was onto something big. 2006 saw the first major milestone for YouTube. It was bought by Google for a staggering $1.65 billion in stock. This move not only secured YouTube's future but also marked the beginning of its integration into the wider digital ecosystem. The following years saw YouTube's meteoric rise continue. In 2007, it launched its partner program, allowing content creators to monetize their videos. This move democratized the platform, opening the doors for a new generation of entertainers, educators, and influencers. Fast forward to 2009 and YouTube was celebrating its first billion-view video, Lady Gaga's Bad Romance. The platform had officially become a launchpad for viral content, catapulting everyday individuals to global stardom. This trend continued into the next decade, with viral sensations like Gangnam Style in 2012, and the Ice Bucket Challenge in 2014 serving to further solidify YouTube's place in popular culture. Today, YouTube stands as a global platform, hosting a diverse range of content from music videos and tutorials to documentaries and live streams. It has given rise to a new breed of celebrities, cultivated communities, and even played a role in shaping world events. But perhaps the most impressive thing about YouTube is its ability to adapt and evolve. From introducing 360-degree videos in 2015, to launching its own subscription service, YouTube Premium, in 2018, the platform continues to innovate, ensuring it remains at the forefront of the digital revolution. In conclusion, YouTube's journey from a simple video sharing site to a global platform demonstrates the power of innovation and the limitless potential of the digital age. With over 500 hours of video uploaded every minute, it's clear that YouTube's story is far from over. So stay tuned for the next chapter in this remarkable tale of viral videos, global influence, and constant evolution.